Welcome back, friends. So today's first question is, when is World Blood Donor Day celebrated? And the options are: option A 12th June, option B 14th June, option C 13th June, and option D none of these. And the correct answer is option B. So let's move on to the explanations. This day was first observed by the WHO in 2004. In 2005, during the 58th World Assembly held, this day was declared as the annual global event. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on the birth of Karl Landsteiner, who was an Austrian biologist, physician, and is considered to be the founder of modern blood transfusion. So our next question is, recently QMath has partnered with whom to transfer the teaching and learning experience? And the options are: option A TCS, option B Infosys, option C Google, option D none of these. So the correct answer is option C. Let's have a look on the explanations. QMath, a provider of after-school math and coding programs for K-12 class, has partnered with Google for Education to help transform the teaching and learning experience. Teachers will be given a Google certificate, and the students who take a 12 to 18 months QMath program will be awarded the Google CS First Creator Coder certificate. Our next question is, where was the foundation stone of Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple laid recently? And the options are: option A Andhra Pradesh, option B Karnataka, option C Jammu and Kashmir, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option C. So let's check the explanations. The foundation stone was laid for the construction of Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple by the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's TTD in Majhin village of Jammu on Sunday. The temple will be built on 62.06 acre land in Majhin village in Jammu and is scheduled to be completed in 18 months in two phases with a cost of Rs 33.22 crores. Our next question is, who has written the book Home in the World recently? And the options are: option A Vinod Kapli, option B Amartya Sen, option C Salman Rushdie, option D none of these. And the correct option is option B. So let's have a look on the explanation. Amartya Sen was born in Bangladesh and he has completed his studies in the Trinity College. He is the writer of the book Home in the World. Recently, he wrote his book and explained about home in the chapters of his book. Let's move on to the next question. Recently, Naftali Bennett has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? And the options are: option A Germany, option B France, option C Israel, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option C. Let's have a look on the explanations. Israel's new Prime Minister Naftali Bennett speaks during a parliamentary session in Jerusalem. Naftali Bennett was on Sunday sworn in as Israel's new Prime Minister. The ousting Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu from power after an uninterrupted 12 years at the helm of affairs. So let's move on to our next question. In which country has the Indian Mango Promotion Program started? And the options are: option A Iran, option B Bahrain, option C Italy, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option B. Let's have a look on the explanations. A promotion program for Indian mangoes has started in Bahrain. It will go on for a period of 1 week. The event will see the promotion of as many as 16 varieties of Indian mangoes sourced from West Bengal and Bihar. Our next question is, which IIT professor has won the NSG award for blast resistant helmet? And the options are: option A IIT Delhi, option B IIT Mumbai, option C IIT Roorkee, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option C. Let's have a look to the explanations. A professor from IIT Roorkee, Professor Sailesh Ganpole, has received the NSG Counter IED and Counter-Terrorism Innovator Award 2021 for his design of a blast-resistant helmet. The award was conferred to the Professor of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department, MIED, in a ceremony held at NSG. Our next question is, who has written a book titled Beyond Here and Other Poems? And the options are: option A, Amrendra Ashk; option B, Vishnupada Sethi; option C, Amish Tripathi; and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B. So let's check the explanation. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has released a collection of poems titled Beyond Here and Other Poems. The book was written by senior bureaucrat Vishnupada Sethi, the state's revenue secretary. It is a collection of 61 poems and published by Har Anand Publications, which is at New Delhi. So let's move on to our next question. Which bank has started customer COVID relief Ghar Ghar Ration program? And the options are: option A, Bank of Baroda; option B, IDFC First Bank; option C, Punjab National Bank; option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B. Let's have a look to the explanations. On June 11, IDFC First Bank has announced the launch of Ghar Ghar Ration program, an employee-funded program for its low-income customers whose livelihoods are affected by COVID-19. The bank also announced a comprehensive program for the families of employees who unfortunately lost their lives due to COVID-19. Let's move on to our next question. In which place of Sri Lanka, China-Sri Lanka Friendship Hospital has been inaugurated? And the options are: option A, Colombo; option B, Polonnaruwa; option C, Sri Jayawardhanepuram; option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option B. Let's have a look to the explanations. President Gotabaya Rajapaksa on Friday inaugurated the China-Sri Lanka Friendship Hospital in Polonnaruwa, built with a Chinese grant of $60 million. The hospital, located in Sri Lanka's North Central province, will specialize in treating kidney ailments, a widely prevalent and recurring concern in the region, especially for the farmers. Our next question is, who has won the French Open 2021 men's singles tennis title? And the options are: option A, Rafael Nadal; option B, Novak Djokovic; option C, Stefanos Tsitsipas; and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B. Let's have a look to the explanations. Novak Djokovic scripted an epic comeback victory to beat Stefanos Tsitsipas to claim his 19th Grand Slam title. His incredible journey included beating defending champion Rafael Nadal in the semi-finals. With the win, the Serbian superstar also became the first men's player in 52 years to win all 4 Grand Slam titles twice. Our next question is, which state government has started Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan? And the options are: option A, Maharashtra; option B, Haryana; option C, Madhya Pradesh; and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C. So let's have a look to the explanations. The state government of Madhya Pradesh has launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan to make the people of the state aware of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The campaign translates to Free from Corona with the help of the Youth Power campaign. So let's move on to our next question. Which ministry has launched a mobile app named Namaste Yoga? And the options are: option A, Foreign Ministry; option B, Ministry of Health; option C, Ministry of Ayush; and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C. Let's have a look to the explanations. The Ministry of Ayush organized a curtain raiser event for the 7th International Day of Yoga. The event was organized by the Ministry of Ayush in association with Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga, MDNIY. So let's move on to our next question. Who has developed the AI Indian classical music app, Naad Sadhana, and the options are option A, Sukhjit Singh, option B, Sandeep Ranade, option C, Megha Rajgopalan, option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move on to the explanation. Indian developer Sandeep Ranade won the Apple Design Award for his Naad Sadhana app. The engineer stated that he could not believe it. A developer stood out for the Indians from 12 awards that Apple announced at the annual developer conference WWDC on Friday. Our next question is, who has recently launched ML Summer School? And the options are option A, Flipkart, option B, Infosys, option C, Amazon India, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C. Let's have a look to the explanations. Amazon India has announced the launch of its machine learning summer school, an integrated learning program to make students industry ready. The program is open to engineering students in their pre-final and final year bachelor's, master's or PhD studies. Our last question is, recently Lovlina Borgohain became the first woman from which state to qualify for the Olympics? Option A, Maharashtra, option B, Haryana, option C, Assam, option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C. So let's have a look to the explanations. Guwahati, Assam's woman pugilist Lovlina Borgohain became the first female pugilist from the state to qualify for the Olympics. Lovlina would be seen fighting it out in the women's 69 kg welterweight category at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Also, she is the first woman from the state to represent India at the Olympics. This is all for today, guys. Let's meet again in our next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay safe, stay at home.